For projects where we need to grab temperatures but we don't want to be near the device or we don't want to interfere with the system, then having a remote infrared thermometer is the way to go. This one from ThermoPro is pretty nice. It's got a lot of good features. It runs off of AAA batteries. It does come along with a set of batteries right away. You turn it on by just pressing the buttons. You've got two lasers on this setup, and when you have the lasers turned on, those two lasers are kind of bracketing the sensor. The sensor's in the center, the two lasers are on the top and bottom. This one will give you a temperature read at the top there, and then the bottom of the screen you can toggle through. It'll either give you the maximum, the minimum, or I like to do the average. So wherever I'm zapping it, I can find a couple of spots to find kind of the average temperature of a part. That's really handy. It also gives you a good calculation on the side here, so you can get a good accurate indication of temperature at distance. Hope this helps.